Ahoy, story pirates! Welcome aboard the S-Imagination for another exciting adventure. Today we're setting sail with Captain Shelley, a curious turtle with a thirst for adventure. Captain Shelley wasn't your average turtle. Sure, he loved munching on seaweed and sunbathing on the beach, but he also had a knack for finding trouble, or rather, trouble found him. One breezy afternoon, while Shelley was scanning the horizon with his trusty telescope, a strange object bobbed in the waves. It was a package, wrapped in brown paper and tied with a bright red ribbon. Shelley's adventurous spirit wouldn't let him ignore it. He paddled towards the package, his flippers churning the water. With a nudge from his shell, he pulled the package onto the beach. Now, most turtles would have ignored a random package, but Shelley, he was itching to know what was inside. He nudged the package with his nose, but the string was too tight for his beak to open. Suddenly, a tiny voice squeaked, "Careful, Captain. You might break something." Shelley looked around in surprise. The voice came from a hermit crab peeking out of his shell beside the package. His name was Pinch, and he was known for his collection of shiny trinkets. Together, Shelley and Pinch used their unique talents to open the package. Shelley held the package steady with his strong shell, while Pinch used his sharp claw to snip the string. Inside, they found not gold or jewels, but a beautiful hand-painted map with a big red X marking the spot. The map looked old and worn, but the colors were still vibrant. Shelley and Pinch exchanged curious glances. This wasn't just any package. It was an invitation to an adventure. But where did the map lead? And what treasure awaited them at the end? Well, me hearties, that's all for today. Where do you think the map leads Captain Shelley and Pinch? Will they find buried treasure or something even more exciting? Leave a comment below with your guesses and tune in next time to find out.